Island. Oh, so he stay at the Philippines. 19 million, salamat. Thank you. He stays in the Philippines already. I eat chicken fritada. That's masarap. Yeah. 24 million. Thank you so much. Thank you for coming here. I have someone to talk. I have someone to talk in my life. Thank you. 24 million. Tap your screen. Yeah. First time I cook chicken fritada. Wow. Uh, how about how about chicken adobo? Very easy to cook the chicken adobo. Yeah, fritada. You need a lot of ingredients. I learned from internet. Yeah, even in you can Google or you can watch on YouTube how to cook. Mm. How's your girlfriend? How's your girlfriend in the Philippines? 13 million, salamat. Still watching your video. Oh, almost done. Okay, done. It's done. See, it's done. Yes, I have cooked adobo a few times. Adobo with atay. Do you know the atay? The liver. Liver. Panlasang Pinoy is a good channel. Yes. He has a big channel website also. Yeah, even in Facebook. Thanks for watching, Ate. Ate. Yes, I'm Ate. Because next Saturday, I'm old. +1. My age +1 next Saturday. OMG. OMG. How old are you? How old are you? Guys, please subscribe. Subscribe, guys. 16 million. We all getting yeah, +1 on Saturday. Oh my God. I'm grandma. You are 45. Wow. Like 45. You copy my age. You're only 45. Oh my God. You copy my age. Code 45. That's my age. Why you copy my age? But I'm going grandma. I thought you're 60. 20 million. Salamat. Thank you so much. My God. 20 million. Salamat. Oh my God. I thought you're 60. 10 million. Salamat. Please subscribe. My subscriber didn't getting up. 9 million. 10. May 10 na dagdag. Salamat, salamat.